That's how we start. 55, 100 miles per hour. 55, 55, 60, 60. Let's go, man. No, I'm just saying. I didn't see it. Back. What is Jordan? Oh, wait. They don't get it. You want to do 500? For what? No, he's going to take it. Anything under $500, I'm not holding. Yeah, I can do 500. 500. Lock that shit in. Lock that shit in. 55. $500. Let's go. Let's fucking go. We do 55. Bro, we just I'm just saying. You're gonna do it or not? That's it. You chuck on it. It's locked in, bro. That's what it's locked in, bro. That's cool. I don't give a fuck. Do that for the money, but do it 40 for free. Nah, give it for free. I just want the same football field. I think I just want the same football field. It's embarrassing. We don't want to look embarrassed. They messed with the character. That's what it was. Even after that's yo, you got the money. You got us 500. Get you 500. It's 500. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Max? You good. Everybody got money everywhere now. Big money, 60 to 60. All right, Jeremy, you ready to tell this group what's going on?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Big money, we go.
Hey, everybody! This first group, we don't want everybody going out at the same time, so we're going to send like 7 cars out. The money race is going to race first. Everybody else that goes out with them will race after. Keep it clean, keep it simple. Brian, Clayton, Jim. Where's Jim? Right back there. Jimmy. The Viper. Miguel.
So we're just going out with like.
We gotta jump. We got you.
You got on video? Oh, you got on the 360?
Yes, sir.
Bosses. Are you serious?
Max, that should be the goal.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude.
That was the Ohio Bulls.
Money, man. I need my money. Damn, dude. So how'd you do there, Mr. Bond?
I got my shit pushed in.
I saw you lining up with those two, and I was like, oh, man. Holy shit. These guys are undefeated tonight, man.
You got the nitrous app buddy, right? Yeah. You going to run my buddy for fun? Come see his car.
Which one?
He'll put money on it. He'll do it for fun.
Man, this is fucking crazy.
Where's the Gary, yo?
You went to race.
He's on the race?
Bro.